case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 1985 case heard by the Idaho Court of Appeals, Konic International Corporation sued Spokane Computer Services, Inc., following a dispute over the purchase and payment for an electrical device. The disagreement arose after an employee of Spokane Computer, who lacked the authority to make the purchase, bought a surge protector from Konic, misunderstanding the quoted price of $56.20. When Spokane Computer later realized that the device contained parts worth more than the $56, they refused to pay Konic for the equipment, leading to the lawsuit. The court ruled that there was no contract between the parties due to the employee's lack of authority and the differing interpretations of the material terms in the contract, invoking a principle known as the peerless case doctrine. This doctrine states that if the parties involved have significantly different understandings of a contract's terms and neither is aware of the other's interpretation, then there is no mutual assent to the exchange and no contract is formed. As a result of this ruling, the court found that Spokane Computer did not owe Konic for the equipment and affirmed the magistrate's decision. Spokane Computer was additionally awarded costs and attorney fees on appeal. The case of Konic International Corporation v. Spokane Computer Services, Inc. serves as a reminder of the importance of clarity and authority in contract negotiations.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.